Just in case this fucker jumps out at me. Frenchie Roofer here. Squirrel investigation on tile roof. Look at that. That's how they get in here and mess everything up. Frenchie Roofer out.
If heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I don't wanna go. If heaven ain't a lot like Dixie, I just as soon stay home. I was one of the chosen few to be born in Alabama. I'm just like my daddy's son, I'm proud of.
Oh, I'm at these apartments again. And this squirrel, bro, will not leave me alone. Hey, so I was here for that squirrel repair. I went ahead and took this whole side apart. That's where he was nesting in, about right here with this plywood. You can see there's some of his little chewy marks. Hey, what's going on today, guys? I'm out here at those apartments with all the squirrels, and I'm back for another investigation. I guess the squirrel is chewing the cables for the internet, and the customer is getting really upset. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to grab my tool bags, maybe a blower, get up there and start taking this rake apart. So stay tuned. But where did you come out of? I was saying earlier, I got a squirrel investigation chewing on the internet cables on a tile roof at some apartments. So I can get up there and see how bad this little critter is getting stuff done. First thing you want to do with squirrel damage is look for any imperfect. Whoo, whoo. Oh man, those things weren't even nailed. As we travel down. Whoop. Really have to disturb this apex, but I'll put a little caulk on it, show you that work when I get done with it. Just have to re-nail these. I'm gonna save this side for last since there's shade. Hey, so I was here for that squirrel repair. I went ahead and took this whole side apart. That's where he was nesting in, about right here with this plywood. You can see there's some of his little chewy marks. So I was out here for a squirrel investigation, and I determined that he wasn't getting in on these ends. What he was doing was he was coming to this end piece right here, and he must have peed or shit. That way he knew where his little entrance was. You can see where he burrowed, where it's real clean, and then there was a big gap right there, and he was getting in, chewing on their cable line. So I went ahead and put the aluminum around there. I'll put the flashing back, and then get this thing closed up, and I will have another successful tile repair. Not even nailed. Oh, so dangerous. So we got the area exposed. I'm gonna go ahead and get this plywood off. Go get a sheet, get lunch, get her fixed, call her a Sunday. Sealed up all the apexes that I worked on and took the tiles apart. There's that other flashing I took apart, put another piece of aluminum there. And then I went ahead and put this whole side back on. And now I'm about to finish up the repair. I already got the aluminum in place. Just waiting for my sunglasses to get back on to get you that POV content. Some more miter. Don't look at that one, the gap. Whoever cut that, the gap was so big. I had to fill it in with some stuff, or otherwise my caulking would fail in.